Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at the Bulletproof Hitches Extreme Duty Adjustable 2-ball mount for a 2-inch hitch with a drop and a rise and a 30,000 pound gross towing weight capacity. Now this 2-ball mount will slide into a 2-inch hitch receiver, let you hook up your trailer to your tow vehicle. The hitch balls up front here will provide the connection point for your trailer coupler. And if you notice the two balls, they are different sizes. This one is the smaller 2-inch ball. If you flip it over, you can use the larger 2 5/16 diameter ball. So this will let you tow trailers with different coupler sizes. And to switch the ball, it's pretty easy. You just simply remove the 2 pins and clips, flip the ball platform, and then reinsert the pins and clips. Just want to show you how we do that. We'll pull the clips out, slide the pins out. Also want to mention the pins themselves. That gives you 2 of these 5/8 inch diameter corrosion resistant hardened steel pins. They feature a nice nickel undercoat, and then they use a zinc plating top coat to give you the best corrosion resistance. So we'll go ahead and take out the other pin. And you can see now the ball mount will come out. All you have to do is flip it over, and then you'll have the larger ball there. And again, you can put it in whatever height you need for your application. We're just going to put it back in where we had it. Put our 2 pins back through. Take our clips, push them on to secure it, and just like that, you're all ready to go. Now you have the larger ball, so it's pretty quick and easy to flip it around. Now the Extreme Duty ball mounts, like this one, uses much more steel right back here behind the channel. So all the steel is a lot stronger and more going up behind the channel, and that gives you the higher weight capacities that these Extreme Duty ones are rated for. And you notice it is an adjustable design, provides a drop or a rise, so it'll allow you to tow trailers of different heights with the same vehicle. So it will work well for contractors where they might install it on one truck, and they can use that one truck for different size trailers. Right now you can see it's in the drop position, so when you install this, it'll be in the drop position. And if we end up putting this ball mount at the lowest position, it'll get you a maximum drop of about 13 1/4 inches. If we flip this over in the receiver, in the rise position, and put this ball platform at the highest position, it'll get you a maximum rise of about 13 1/2 inches. It does give you 7 levels of adjustment. Now the distance between the adjustment holes center to center is 2 inches. So basically you can move this ball platform up or down to match your application. This is a heavy-duty steel construction. It is precision CNC milled and drilled, so that gives you less rattle because of the close tolerances. The channel frame itself is a 5/16 of an inch thick channel frame. It is strong and durable. Back here you can see the large gusset that's on there. It's a 1/2 inch thick welded gusset plate. This will brace the shank and the channel. And then the hitch balls right up here, they are wall welded to the ball platform for extra sturdiness. Now because of that solid shank, the gusset plate, solid dual ball platform, along with that extra steel we mentioned behind the channel, it is built for extreme duty towing. The steel gusset you can see is welded between the shank and the channel, bracing the mount and keeping the channel from bending, even at the maximum drop or rise. Total weight on this is about 56 pounds. Now one thing I do want to mention, this gusset does come out a little bit, so I want to make sure you have the clearance when you install this in your hitch. So we measure the distance from the gusset right here to the first hitch pin hole is 3 1/2 inches. From that gusset to the second hitch pin hole is 5 inches. Now this ball mount does have many different dimensions to it, so I do recommend for you to go to the product page of this part number and you can verify any dimension that might be needed for your application, and that the product uses quality materials. The hitch does come powder coated in a textured heavy duty black finish, and that finish will help your ball mount look like it's new instead of all worn and rusty after a short time. Now when you do install this into your hitch receiver, it will require a hitch pinning clip or a hitch lock for securing the hitch receiver to the hitch. Those are not included. You would have to supply those, or we do sell those separately on our website. Application again, this fits a 2-inch by 2-inch trailer hitch receiver. Because of such a large rise and drop, this is ideal for vehicles with a 28-inch to 30-inch clearance from the ground to the bottom of the receiver tube. Gross towing weight capacity on this depends on the ball size you use. So if you use the larger 2 5/16 ball, you have a 30,000 pound capacity. If you use the smaller 2-inch diameter ball, it's a 12,000 pound capacity. Tongue weight capacity 6,000 pounds. And last thing I do want to mention, they do offer a variety of channel mount attachments that are available to fit into this ball mount to allow you to use it like as a pintle hitch, a shackle hitch, or even a hitch step. All of those parts are listed on the product page as related products. But that should do it for the review on the Bulletproof Hitches Extreme Duty Adjustable 2-Ball Mount for a 2-inch hitch with a drop and a rise and a 30,000 pound gross towing weight capacity.